Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Spreadsheets. In this video, you will learn to label the main parts of a spreadsheet and use simple formulas. There will be a copy of these slides posted in Canvas for you to complete the activities on slides 8 and 9 and slides 11 through 14. The learning targets for this module include understanding what a Google Sheet is and why people use spreadsheets. We will also cover basic spreadsheet vocabulary and what functions are. Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program found in Google Drive, identified by the green icon. It allows for real-time collaboration, just like Docs and slides. Learning Google Sheets is a future-ready skill, essential for school and career success. What is Google Sheets? Google Sheets is an electronic spreadsheet program for storing and organizing data. It looks like a table defined by rows and columns. People use Google Sheets for many tasks, including managing payroll, personal bookkeeping, and analyzing data trends. It's also used for performing research, producing graphs and charts, organizing data, and using formulas to solve equations. A Google Sheet is like a math book with many pages, called worksheets. Each worksheet is made of cells. A cell is an individual square. The cell you click on is called the active cell. It is in blue, just like the example in cell A1. Each worksheet has columns labeled with letters such as A, B, C, D, etc. Columns are vertical. Rows are labeled with numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. They go horizontal. Each cell has a unique name, otherwise known as a cell reference, made by combining the column letter and the row number, such as A10. The letter is first, followed by the number. Let's review the main parts of a Google Sheet. Can you label the cell, active cell, worksheet, column, row, and provide an example of a cell reference? Place the correct keyword in one of the text boxes below. Your options are at the top of the slide. If you need to refer back to the information prior when you complete this task, feel free to do so. Let's practice cell references. Remember to start with the column letter followed by the row number. For example, B6. Can you identify the cell references for the other stars? Type in the text box the correct cell name next to each star on your assignment provided. In Google Sheets, formulas are written backwards, meaning you must start with the equal sign first, followed by the equation, such as equals 2 plus 2. Here is an example of a formula, equals A3 plus C3. Can you determine the correct formula for the remaining examples shown here? For instance, the answer for cell D4 would be equals A4 backslash or divide by C2. Now use the provided spreadsheet data to write the correct formulas for the remaining cell references. Remember to begin each formula with an equals sign. One example has been done for you. Equals A1 plus B1. You will want to fill in the rest of the answers on your assignment later on. Let's test your knowledge of formula symbols. What symbol must a formula always start with? What symbols would you use for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? If you are unsure of the correct symbol to use, refer back to a few slides before this. Finally, let's reflect on this module. Type in each text box around the hand. List 5 things you have learned about Google Sheets, 1 on each finger and thumb. Go back in your slide presentation to help you review key learning targets for this lesson. Here is a list of the keywords and definitions covered in this video. Review these to help your understanding of Google Sheets terminology. Functions are built-in formulas that help perform calculations quickly. Common functions include sum for addition, product for multiplication, and average to find the average of a range of numbers. Now it is your turn. Open up your assignment and complete slides 8 and 9 and slides 11 through 14. Please refer back to this video or your copy of the slides for your assignment if you have any questions.